What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Corey, 21 and retired, founder 5 at Wake Up Now. Soon to be founder 6. If you don't know how much money that is, then I suggest you guys, do some research. Well, today, I'm just making this quick video while I'm driving because one of my business partners told me I should make a video for people out there to, educate y'all on what network marketing really is about. So basically, businesses like Verizon and AT&T and McDonald's and all those big popular businesses, they spend billions of dollars every year on an advertisement so they could spread the word about their company and their products and services. So what network marketing does is they skip the middleman and pay their customers to go out there and share their products and services. For example, let's say you had AT&T, you had a friend that had Boost Mobile. If you told your friend, hey, you should switch to AT&T because they have a much better service and they have better phones and so on and so forth. If your friend goes out and go get AT&T, you're not going to get paid for that. Only the company's going to get paid. But with network marketing, if you share the product and service with people, you're going to get paid a commission just for simply going out there to share your story and sharing with your friends how you enjoy using the products and services of the company that you're with. So that's basically what network marketing is. They're saving millions of dollars, every year just by using people to go out and spread the word. And right now, word of mouth marketing is big because social networking is big. Everywhere you go, you see people on Twitter, you see people on Instagram, you see people on Facebook and YouTube. So it's just a no-brainer because the simple fact that information is being shared every day, all day, every day because of the social networks. So, network marketing is truly the best kept secret, and it's just going to continue to thrive throughout this whole era. From now on till 20, 30 years from now, network marketing is going to keep growing and growing because it's boosting the economy. People are making residual income, and residual income is retiring people at a very early age. Like I said, I'm only 21 years old, and I'm making Founder 5 income and Wake Up Now. So that right there should show you guys that this network marketing thing is legit. It's a better lifestyle. And basically, to sum it all up, it's a transportable business, basically. You can travel the world and share your products and services and income opportunity with everybody you meet when you travel. You get the same tax break savings as regular business owners. You know what I'm saying? It's just a lifestyle. So with that being said, do more research on network marketing before you call it a scam because it's creating the most millionaires in the world right now. I would never get myself involved in anything that's a scam or anything like that. So, yeah, guys, you guys really need to do some research, and you guys need to get involved with Wake Up Now before it's really too late because things are starting to get big with Wake Up Now. There's a lot of people on my team making a good amount of money. There's people out there making, $2,500 monthly, $5,000 monthly, $8,000 monthly. I soon will be at the $8,000 monthly club. Next month, the Founder 6 income will definitely be attainable next month for me. And if you didn't know, the income disclosure is on www.wakeupnow.com/IDS. If you want to look at the income disclosure, that's very important to look at. And that's pretty much it, guys. So to sum everything all up, a network marketing company doesn't use TV, radio, YouTube, and billboard advertisements. They use people to go out there and spread the word. And that's pretty much it. And in return, you get paid a residual income. And a residual income is money that continues to generate without you having to do the work, really. For example, musicians get paid residual income when their iTunes sales go up. Or authors get paid residual income when their book sells on Amazon or Barnes & Noble. Real estate people get residuals when their tenants pay rent every month. You know what I'm saying? So it's a whole bunch of different different ways you could get residual income. And right now, network marketing is the easiest way for the average person to get involved with to make a life-changing income. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's your boy Corey, founder 5 of Wake Up Now, soon to be founder 6, 21 years old and retired. You could be next. So that's about it, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys on the other side. See you at the top. Pay while sleeping. Join the team.